Pandas.
Apart from the impact of global warming leading to reduced inflow of water from the major source, that is the Telbal Nala, the problem that has played havoc to this beautiful Dal Lake is that of pollution. Loads and loads of garbage is being dumped every day into the lake from various sources, which include largely the sewage of whole of the Srinagar city, 58 hamlets clustered around the lake, 3,000 houseboats, innumerous shikaras, dongas, and various commercial establishments, practically transforming it into a sewage and garbage pit. Encroachment and occupation that has taken place during the 2 decades is also threatening the very existence of the lake. The Government of India, taking into account the fast degrading condition of the lake, took a major initiative by establishing the Lake and Waterways Development Authority way back in 1996 with the task to redeem the lake to its past pristine glory. Out of the total funds of rupees 632.62 crores under the 11th plan, rupees 298.76 crore was allocated exclusively for the Dal Lake. Utilizing this hefty amount, Lake and Waterways Development Authority has carried on a commendable job, which includes sewage collection, solid waste collection, de-weeding and dredging, catchment management, resettlement and rehabilitation, removal of land masses and encroachments, and public awareness. Out of the total proposed amount of rupees 6,235 crore allocated by the Planning Commission under the 12th plan for the repair, renovation and restoration of water bodies, a good amount is expected to be diverted towards restoring this illustrious jewel of India.